High-impact business sectors rewarded by federal tax incentives. The federal government is projected to provide over $1 trillion to business owners through tax credits and deductions over the next decade. This massive investment aims to encourage the creation of specific business types that support national infrastructure and innovation. In 2026 alone, over 6 million new businesses are expected to launch as entrepreneurs seek to capture these benefits. Certain industries receive significantly more rewards than others, making it essential for owners to understand how the tax code incentivizes their specific operations. Trucking and logistics companies are primary beneficiaries due to their role in maintaining the supply chain. The government spends approximately $300 billion annually on contracts in this sector. Beyond these lucrative contracts, fleet owners can utilize 100% bonus depreciation to write off the entire cost of a commercial truck in a single year. For instance, financing a $150,000 truck could result in $55,000 in federal tax savings for high-income earners, effectively covering the initial down payment through tax recovery. Skilled trades and construction businesses, including electricians, plumbers, and builders, also receive significant support. These businesses require heavy investment in machinery and vehicles, and current rules allow for the immediate 100% write-off of these tangible assets. This change accelerates tax savings that previously had to be spread over 15 years, putting capital back into the hands of contractors immediately. This policy encourages established firms to reinvest in new equipment and lowers the barrier for new entrants into the trades. Real estate and brick-and-mortar businesses, such as gas stations and car washes, benefit heavily from depreciation and cost segregation. Investors in rental properties can use depreciation as a non-cash expense to offset income from other sources. For a new business costing $1 million in building and equipment, current rules might allow for $440,000 in immediate deductions. This strategy can eliminate a business owner's entire tax liability for the year, providing the necessary cash flow to scale operations and maintain physical properties. Innovation is incentivized through the technology and medical sectors. Tech companies developing new software or products can take advantage of the research and development tax credit along with 100% expensing rules. Medical practices can combine these RAND credits with depreciation on expensive medical tools and office buildings. These incentives often drive professionals to transition from leasing to owning their equipment and facilities, as the tax savings justify the capital investment required to modernize their practices. Energy independence is a major priority, leading to substantial rewards for solar and oil and gas businesses. Solar investors can claim a 30% tax credit on installation costs in addition to 100% equipment depreciation. This credit can even be carried back 3 years to secure refunds on previously paid taxes. Similarly, active drilling operations in the oil and gas sector allow for deductions of up to 85% of invested capital. While these ventures can be expensive, they offer some of the most aggressive tax sheltering opportunities in the current code. Leveraging these federal incentives requires proactive planning and a clear understanding of eligibility requirements. The government uses these trillions of dollars to direct economic activity toward sectors it deems vital for the country's future. Business owners who align their ventures with these priorities can significantly reduce their tax burden and increase their overall profitability. Consulting with a professional to apply these strategies before the end of the fiscal year is the most effective way to ensure these legal benefits are fully captured.